Hello, welcome to Coding Solution. This video is going to be a short intro to C programming with some motivation to learn it. To do anything, you need some motivation. For example, if you want to learn martial art, you must have some motivation. You want to learn it for increased self-confidence or full body exercise or maybe just for flexibility. Similar way, if you want to learn new skills, you must have some motivation for it. Okay, so let's begin with some history. C was the programming language developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It was written by a man named Dennis Ritchie for developing Unix operating system. I can talk about the history of C for an hour, but that will be just a time waste. So we will skip it. There was a survey which says 90% of the starting programmers says that C has been replaced by its predecessors such as C++, Java, C#, Python and so on. So why learn C? Now let's begin to analyze the reason why C should be your first programming language. By learning C, you learn how computer work. What does this mean? Let's understand with an example. Any system is consist of two parts, hardware and software. Let's zoom the software part. If you look closely, software is divided in two parts, low-level software and high-level software. Low-level software have direct access to hardware, whereas high-level software cannot access hardware directly. If high-level software wants to access any hardware resources, it has to send a request to low-level software, which will in turn provide the hardware access. Kernel and drivers. These are the two major software which controls all the hardware. Kernel and driver both are present in your operating system. Kernel, which is a low-level software, you can treat it as a resource manager, whereas device driver is the software which controls all the devices. So each device will have their respective device driver. For example, keyboard will have its driver, display will have its driver, and so on. When we say operating system, it includes kernel plus driver and some other functionality as well. Performance critical softwares will come on top of operating system. Above all this, your user level application will be written. Your performance critical software, operating system, kernels, drivers, everything is written in C. Whereas user level application is written in some high level language like Java, Python. Now let us understand the difference between low level language and high level language. Consider a simple matrix multiplication example. To perform multiplication, you have to traverse matrix A row wise. For each element in matrix A, you have to traverse matrix B column wise. In C, you have to come up with some logic to optimize the number of operations in this matrix multiplication. You can optimize this in any way you want. You have all the controls. Usually, each hardware vendor will have their own libraries. For example, AMD will have their own library. Intel will have their own library. It's called MKL, Math Kernel Library. Once they will write their library, they will optimize it on their platform and they will just expose the API to the higher level language. For example, this matrix multiplication is implemented by Intel folks and they have exposed one API, which API is wrapped into the Python library called NumPy. So to multiply two matrix, you need not do anything, you just have to remember there is a function called matmul. You can directly use that and your multiplication will be done. So if you are learning Python, you will end up mugging up so many APIs that you have to use to perform a task. But you will never know what is going behind the scene. Okay, I forgot to mention AMD library name. It's called AMD AOCL. One more last motivation for you in this video. Learning C is one of the easiest job anyone can do. C programming has only 32 keywords. If you know how to use those keywords, you are done with the C programming. I will just categorize it for you. First category is data types, which includes int, float, character and double. Second is data modifier, signed, unsigned, short and long. Third is storage classes, which includes auto, static, register and extern. Fourth one is control statement. Fifth one is user defined data type. And there are some which comes under miscellaneous. If you don't know anything about these keywords or you are hearing it for the first time, please don't worry. We are going to cover all these in coming videos. Okay, so let's summarize whatever we have covered till now. There are three levels of language: high level, mid level and low level. C is a mid level language. C is a language which begins from scratch and it has foundational concepts on which today's concepts stands on. C provides you access to the basic element of computer. It gives you direct access to memory of your CPU through pointers. It allows you to manipulate and play with bits and bytes. At the end, just one small trivia, Java compiler and Python interpreter. Both are written in C language. That's it in this video. See you in the next one. Please like, subscribe and share.